Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to make a 100k box thumbnail. I usually use Paint, but if I want to do something that is more advanced and you can't do in Paint, I'll just use paint.net. So first, you want to make sure that your resolution is set to 1280 by 720 pixels on Paint because that's the recommended size for thumbnails on YouTube. And then to make the number, I just take this line thing on the shape and make a triangle and fill it in. Since this is video 213, I use the eraser tool, yes, the eraser tool, and put 213. And then I just put the stuff I want to put on the thumbnail. So I'll just put how to make a 100k box thumbnail for noobs. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like and sub for more epic tutorials.